Okay.
You're welcome. How are you? Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, morning.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you sitting down there?
He choose to say, we try to be.
What is that? This is